How to take the first n items from a generator or list. With LINQ I would. How to do this with Python.
Slicing a list. To slice a list, there's a simple syntax: array start column stop column step. You can omit any parameter. These are all valid: array start column, array column stop, array column column step. Slicing a generator. You can't slice a generator directly in Python. itertools.isList will wrap an object in a new slicing generator using the syntax itertools.isList generator, start, stop, step. Remember, slicing a generator will exhaust it partially. If you want to keep the entire generator intact, perhaps turn it into a tuple or list first, like result equals tuple generator.
At Tchaikovsky's answer is excellent, but I wanted to clarify a couple of points. Next generator for underscore in range n. This is the most simple approach, but throws stop iteration if the generator is prematurely exhausted. On the other hand, the following approaches return up to n items, which is preferable in many circumstances. List, x for underscore, x in zip range n, records. Generator, x for underscore, x in zip range n, records. In my taste, it's also very concise to combine zip with range n, or range n in Python 3, which works nice on generators as well and seems to be more flexible for changes in general. The answer for how to do this can be found here. Notice that the last call asks for the next 4 when only 2 are remaining. The use of the list instead of is what gets the comprehension to terminate on the stop iteration exception that is thrown by next.